Okay, here's your video of Skylar swimming, jumping, and sliding.
She just something off the side.
She is really showing off.
I can't help it.
Make sure to get it wet.
I am.
That's probably good.
Okay.
Ready?
And she landed.
What do you say to Daddy?
I love you.
What else do you say?
I forgot.
That was me swimming in the pool.
That's me swimming in the pool.
Look at it. Look at the phone.
Oh, that's me swimming in the pool. That's me swimming in the pool.
Alyssa wants to say something after she touches the bottom of the pool. What do you say to Chuck, Alyssa?
Love you, miss you.
And Louise wants to say something.
Okay, just watch me.
Just say hi, Chuck, Louise. Just say hi, Chuck.
Hi, Chuck.
Just
All right.
watch me for a minute.
Love you.